I'm Margrit Betke. I'm a professor here in computer science, and this is Chris Quan, my student. And Chris did a very nice project here for his Europe. As you can see on the screen, we're working with the camera mouse, which is an interface for people with severe motion disabilities. So Chris, why don't you take over and explain what you're doing?
Okay, so I'm going to select a feature on my face for the camera mouse to track, so the nose usually works well.
After a few seconds, the computer takes over and the mouse now is getting, if you can see the mouse right here, that is controlled by his facial movements. His face is also moving. Now he's going up and down.
And to click, you hold the mouse pointer still for 1 second, still as possible.
Oh my God.
So this is Camera Canvas. It's an image editing program that's specially designed for camera mouse.
That Chris wrote.
That I wrote. So
we don't need you right now.
Open up an image.
Here's some example images.
So there's polar bear.
Polar bear.
If you can't reach something on the edges of the screen, you can scroll it towards the middle so you can access the buttons.
Yeah, what's this ball tape?
So we can pan around the image. Do things like...
Yeah, rotate that polar bear so it's not... Yep, that's a good one. Okay.
We could crop out, so we just wanted to set.
You can do a lot of things like rotation and cropping that you can do with regular photo editing programs, but those editing programs usually have very small buttons, and people with disabilities don't have a way to click on those buttons. And Chris made them really large here, and whenever it's yellow, that's the active one, and that you can click if you stay there for a while. And you can do contrast changes, you can change the brightness, you can invert it from color into grayscale. Here he did just some grayscale.
So those are some of the image editing effects. There's also a drawing mode.
White canvas.
So you can pick a shape, like a rectangle, you can pick a color. And each of these will generate some shades of that color. Let's do like a pink.
Pink, okay.
And so to draw, it's a two-step process. First, you look at where you want to draw, and then to stop, you look where you want to stop. Let's say I didn't want to stop there. That's the point.
Yeah, it's a good one. Okay, so I don't know, blue circle on top of it, or?
Sure.
That's a good shape. Uh-huh. And there's another one.
Have you guys used this program to distribute it yet to people with disabilities?
No, but we will do that this semester. Our plan is to have people with disabilities try it out, give us feedback. One of the concerns we have is, are the buttons large enough for people to be able to select things? But Chris can change the size of the buttons pretty easily, so
Yeah, this interface is really customizable. Buttons.
So just now he made them larger, even larger, and so forth. So we want to find out what are the good default values for people to start with.
Yeah, and also if horizontal motion isn't easy for the person, we can switch the toolbar to like a vertical layout.
Yeah. So now everything that was up there is now there. So you can do it on the bottom too.
Yeah, so it's easier to reach the bottom and the top of the screen.
Because some people with motion disabilities are okay moving, say, their head sideways, but not up and down, or sometimes they're better doing things diagonally. So we want to be able to adapt our software to their motion abilities.